Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ukonrat ki sangma hakasantrik liber. Ulalet ben bu ya mawnongrim nakabanta ban shna ya ka madan football artificial turf ka baningkong hapo Ri Bhoi. Haka madan ya leka ka badan hakastong da Ri Bhoi ya ka balamang ban pelut hadu shipho point kendai pulai klur tingka. Habakran haka jingalang UCM ulaong bagi kena bat ki samla don sam. Kinla ban penpau ya laki sap ki pong bat wanra medal bat kanam ya ka Jylla tat ladakin yo ya kalat ka kabu balapli na kabenta jongki kani kadai ka thong jong ka sorkar bangin yai beteng ban kentiu ha ka liang ka sports bat ya ki jingtai na kabenta ki jingale kai sports ulaong UCM upentip ba menta ki project ki bakot syaka news pa klur tingka la pentre kam na kabenta bantau ya ki jaka ya lek kai sports baper ha ka Jylla bat jan kumba saus pa klur tingka lamang na kabenta uni usdem mang tingka uban wan ban shna ya ki jaka ya lek kai sports nalor kata ulaong ru ba ka sorkar kalamang hajar pras pa klur tingka na kabenta ban kentiu ya ki samla ha ka liang ka sports katem kapun kol shor bat halor ka sengkam sengjam kabatmu ban kentiu ki sap ki phong jong ki samla habakran kulum halor ka roy kapar ukonrat ulaong balada ka Jylla ka de ban kiu shaprang an amla ban pen kring ne ban pelet jingmun tang ha ka nong ba shlong tura bat juwai henry shaman la ki shnong bat ki constituency ha ka Jylla ki de ban kiu shakman nalor kata ulapan benaru baka Ri Bhoi shen kan sayo ru ya ki track kumju ki field stadium. Ha kani ka program layadan lang ru Myntri katrat sports ka Jylla uba syaklir warjri, UMLA kanong po uba Miral Bonds im, UMLA ka jirang ba sustenance sootun lembat ki officer ka State Sports Council, ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs bat ki kenhun baper na po Ri Bhoi.
Projects worth 700 crores right now going on in the sports department. Another 200 crores is being sanctioned as we speak. And another additional 200 crores will be sanctioned in the coming years. Hence, in the 10 years of the MDA government, there will be over 1,000 crores worth of investment being made in the sports sector. And this does not include the large stadium, the biggest stadium that will come up in Maukanu, which is amounting to 385 crores, which will be in the new Shillong township area. And hence you can see the kind of effort that the sports minister and the sports department has been putting and this government has been putting for sports. And this particular foundation stone laying ceremony is just one of the examples of that commitment that we have towards the young generation and the youth of our state. It is only when we are able to give holistic development will true development come to our state. And again, it's not just in words, but in our actions also that we are showing it. These kind of artificial turfs will come out in more than 20 constituencies and different rural areas of our state. Natural turf stadiums will come out. Indoor stadiums are coming out. We'll be having track and field stadiums that will be coming out. And I take this opportunity to inform all of you on how this government works. And in the next couple of weeks to maximum a month, 13.88 crores is going to be sanctioned to put up a track and field stadium in Ri Bhoi district. And this is being done for you, so that all of you are able to practice and perform and use this infrastructure so that you can start shining. You can start earning and getting more medals for your district, for our state maybe one day. and maybe even for our country.
Yemeli budan buram jongpi nakapor sakapor. Ya kabangamla nyosu hadu kanusin bailawan banong siong ba sobhase ai koi ke stadium yengi ponong bangila dalam kampala. Tang sisin ngamla nyo kanusin su ilawan mi badi bala kerpan ya kabangin ai ke stadium. Hadap da kajikemen ya kabanganong lingba kajingkit kle lingba kajing trisdom kajung i milala bangin punurlong takasmi. Ngai kubeli kerpang i ya kajing trisdom kajung i ban ngadang kitbok ya kabanang ni sakman innang kamla susu menteri nakamta kajing tha song ke konstitusi kajung i bat Jylla hi korokwe. Ni kum ka sarkar ni ya sakman ka kabai dei ya kabangi kwa bangin ai ya kijing don kam nakamta pun sama ba i ya ka sports kan ke Jylla